Gravity is the force that pulls objects toward each other. It's what makes things fall to the ground when you drop them. Gravity is everywhere, affecting everything. From tiny particles to massive planets, gravity is at work. Imagine gravity as an invisible hand holding everything together. This invisible force is what keeps us on the ground. It stops us from floating off into space. If you've ever seen a video of astronauts in space, you'll notice they float around. That's because there is much less gravity in space compared to Earth. Even though gravity is everywhere, we don't usually think about it. We take it for granted. But without gravity, life as we know it wouldn't exist. Gravity is not just a force, it's a fundamental part of the universe. The concept of gravity dates back to ancient times, however, our understanding of it has evolved over centuries. Scientists have studied gravity to unlock the mysteries of the universe. Their discoveries have been crucial in advancing science and technology. Imagine you throw a ball into the air. What happens next? The ball goes up, slows down, and then falls back to the ground. This is gravity at work. Gravity pulls the ball back down. The same thing happens when you jump. You can't stay in the air because gravity pulls you back down. Another example is when you pour water into a glass. The water flows downwards because gravity is pulling it. Even when you tip the glass, gravity ensures the water falls toward the earth. This simple action showcases how gravity influences our daily activities. Gravity also affects how we walk. When you take a step, gravity pulls your foot back to the ground. Without gravity, walking would be impossible. You would float around aimlessly. Gravity gives us weight, which allows us to move and interact with our environment. Think about a roller coaster. As it climbs up, gravity slows it down. When it comes down, gravity speeds it up. This thrilling experience is all thanks to gravity. Every twist, turn, and drop on the roller coaster is influenced by gravity. It makes the ride exciting and fun. Gravity impacts many aspects of our daily lives. Consider your morning routine. When you get out of bed, gravity helps you stand up. When you eat breakfast, gravity keeps food on your plate and drink in your cup. These simple tasks are possible because of gravity. Gravity also plays a role in sports. In basketball, gravity pulls the ball down into the hoop. In soccer, gravity helps the ball roll on the ground. Even in swimming, gravity affects how you move through the water. Every sport relies on gravity in some way. In transportation, gravity is crucial. Cars, bikes, and trains stay on the ground because of gravity. Airplanes need to overcome gravity to take off, but rely on it to land safely. Even when you ride an escalator, gravity ensures you reach the ground floor. Gravity also affects our health. It helps blood flow throughout our bodies. It influences how our muscles and bones develop. Astronauts in space need to exercise regularly because, without gravity, their muscles and bones weaken. Gravity is essential for maintaining our physical well-being. Section 4. Pioneers of Gravity, Newton and Einstein. Isaac Newton was one of the first scientists to study gravity. Legend says he saw an apple fall from a tree and wondered why it fell straight down. He realized that the same force pulling the apple to the ground also kept the moon orbiting the Earth. This was a groundbreaking discovery. Newton formulated the law of universal gravitation. He described gravity as a force that attracts two objects to each other. The strength of this force depends on their masses and the distance between them. Newton's work laid the foundation for our understanding of gravity. Albert Einstein further expanded our understanding of gravity. He developed the theory of general relativity. Einstein proposed that gravity is not just a force but a curvature in space-time. Massive objects like planets bend space-time, and this curvature guides the motion of objects. Einstein's theory was revolutionary. It explained phenomena that Newton's theory couldn't, such as the bending of light around massive objects. His ideas have been confirmed through various experiments and observations. Einstein's work continues to influence modern physics. Section 5. Conclusion: the importance of gravity. Gravity is a fundamental force that shapes our world. It affects everything from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. Without gravity, life wouldn't be possible. It keeps us grounded and allows us to interact with our environment. Gravity influences our daily activities from walking to playing sports. It plays a crucial role in transportation and our health. Famous scientists like Newton and Einstein have greatly contributed to our understanding of gravity. Their discoveries have advanced science and technology. Understanding gravity helps us comprehend the universe. It explains the motion of planets, stars, and galaxies. Gravity is not just a force, it's a key to unlocking the mysteries of the cosmos. As we continue to explore space, our understanding of gravity will keep evolving. In summary, gravity is an invisible force that is essential to life and the universe. It connects everything and influences every aspect of our existence. The study of gravity has led to remarkable scientific advancements. Gravity will always remain a fascinating and vital subject in science.